Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanra speed daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kawai par karai kalong baharian baka sarkar kalayo apriyan ka kai phot naki armut ki DC jong ka East Khasil district Barri Boy district haka bay day baka chingle yatho jong ki South Point go na Shillong sha Greenwood resort haka arpnyo trek mataw banai bla deb la rai ban ujor ka ija harling baki DC bar ka an kan le ka badan kam.
Those marriage party that has happened in Assam on the 27th of last month, and again even the reception that has happened in the respective residence on the 2nd of this month. I am happy to inform to all of you that the inquiry report was received by the government today, and in the review meeting we decided, after receiving the inquiry report from both the deputy commissioners, one is Nongpo and number 2 is Shillong, the decision we taken is immediate FIR has to be filed by the deputy commissioner Shillong to all the 41 members who attended the marriage ceremony or the wedding at Greenwood Resort, Guwahati. So this is the decision we taken. Immediately, the DC will file a FIR and let the law take its own course.
Halor ka jingkhang chipor ki katu ka ni ki ward hani grims ka sarkar klai trei lang bar ka hospital ha ka batang shidap ka jingwad ki badan jingma ban bet yakani ka jingpang on pun khoj no ekini ki ward khanang ban la ban play biang ki.
Number 1, we discussed about the issue of temporary closure of Negrims Hospital. As already mentioned, stated by the Honorable Health Minister, since we do have 2 cases in Negrims, one of them is just yesterday report which came out positive. Then not less than 2-3 departments in Negrims was closed down. One department we call orthopedic, and then number 2 is what? Radiology. And even now the reception, I mean the OPD. That also has been closed down. From yesterday itself, the moment the report came out positive. So today we discussed, and then the Negrims authority has communicated to the government. Now they are on the job doing contact tracing. High risk contact tracing is still on, and not only that, number 2, sanitizing of those respective wards is also being started by the hospital authority. So hopefully when the contact tracing is completed, is done, when the test sample is collected and once the report is again out, I am sure the authority will start reopening up the functioning of the hospital. So we discussed today, and we also communicated to the Negrims authority to speed up the contact tracing as well as the testing, so that people from different sections in Meghalaya as well as in northeastern states who needs medical treatment in this premier hospital be immediately issued.